What is going on, dudes? Obsessed Angling TV here, back with another video. Today we're salmon fishing, pulling skein. Got into a lot of fish. We had to work for the fish today. They wouldn't really bite, but ended up grinding, got into a good hole, finally found some biting fish, and yeah, had an awesome video. If you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, want to subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and if you guys enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like and a comment. And we're on. We are hooked up. That is sweet. Best intro yet. That's money. Got it. What? Feels awesome. Look at the little trout just feeding. It's a good fish. I might have to try my skein. Beautiful looking hen. It's over. That's a big fish.
There, we'll edit that piece.
No. All right, just locked up on a beautiful fish. Definitely pushing 20 pounds. Gonna get released right here. Let's go. There he is. I don't know. It's just a buck. Look at the size of that fish. Oh, that's a big dog. All right, guys, just locked up on a giant buck. It's a monster. Goes back in the hole. Ty Palazzo locked up.
We just got a nice buck, eh?
Just got a nice buck, yeah. Feel good? Dude, that intro's sick, bro.
I know. I was hoping so much that they're laughing.
That's so sick.
Yeah, coho eggs.
What?
Coho eggs.
Really?
Yeah.
Switching it up a little, huh? Co-host game for some kings. Dude, the spots on this thing are sick. Dude, those are some of the coolest spots I've seen on a king. That's like Pacific.
That is awesome.
That's like Pacific type.
That thing was so...
Ty just locked up on one of the prettiest kings I've ever seen. The spots on it are unreal. What do you guys say, man?
Thing's dope.
Going back in the hole. Yeah. We missed.